My name is Suansh. Welcome back. If it's your first time here, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's free. Don't forget to ring the bell. Ding dong. Your handsome biology teacher is back with another lesson on a powerful organ that are twins. Yes, you guessed it right. The knees! No, the kidneys. You guys are smart. You could have guessed that. Let's get started. So sit back, grab a drink, and have fun learning. Well, I have a healthy smoothie prepared specially for me by my mom. This recipe will be releasing soon, so please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell. Here we go. This is my sketch of the kidneys, which my mom adores day and night. This is the aorta. Remember it from the human heart video? And the aortic valve opens, which is over here, sending the blood to your aorta into a part called the aortic arch, or whatever you want to call it. Moving on, the arterioles and venules here. The arterioles and venules are just miniature versions of the aorta and vena cavas. The next part is the major calyx, which is just a merged version of two minor calyxes over here. Next up is the medulla. All these unbelievably bright, big red dots represent your medulla. Inside your medulla are small pyramids known as your renal pyramids. You will have way more of these in each medulla. These renal pyramids might be smaller than 1 out of 1 million of the pyramids of Giza. Okay, I must admit that was a very bad joke. Next up is the renal cortex, located in the space between the medulla and fibrous capsule, which I will be locating later on. The renal cortex contains nephrons, which are the real blood cleaners in your kidneys, as they're the filtering device, which I will also be showing how they look like later on. Next up, we have the ureters, which take the urine to the bladder and you expel it when nature calls. On top of your kidneys are your adrenal glands, which unfortunately I wasn't able to draw exactly how they really look like. Next, we have the renal sinus, which is located right behind your renal pelvis over here. The renal pelvis holds the urine produced by the nephrons until the ureters collect and mail it to the bladder. Here's the inferior vena cava, which collects the clean filtered blood deposited by the nephrons and takes the clean blood to the heart. Blood from the lower body comes to the right atrium and the heart through the inferior vena cava, which is over here. Moving on, the renal papilla, also known as the apex, is the connection between the medulla and the minor calyxes. The last part we'll be showing is the fibrous capsule. It protects the whole interior of the kidneys with the help of the renal cortex. Next, we're going to review the process of making urine. First, the abdominal or descending aorta gives some oxygenated, uncleaned blood. Next, the blood goes through the arterioles and enters the nephrons. The nephrons then clean it and take the clean blood to the venules and then the inferior vena cava collects it and takes it to the heart. The other waste particles and molecules mix with excess water and become urine. When it's sent down to the renal pyramids in the medulla, then the urine goes through the renal papilla and into one of the minor calyxes. Then the minor calyxes merge to be the major calyx. Then it enters the renal pelvis and travels through the ureters and into your bladder and eventually into your toilet.
This, my friends, is a nephron. I scaled this specific nephron a billion times bigger than it used to be. First, the unclean blood delivered by the arterioles arrives at the glomerulus. Then the glomerulus cleans the blood, and all the clean blood goes through the network of arterioles and arrive at the capillaries. If you don't know what capillaries are, they're the transition between arterioles and venoles. A lot of arterioles and a lot of venoles. The blood is getting transferred at the capillaries from the arterioles to the venoles. Then the venoles take it out of the nephrons and out of the renal cortex. All the waste particles and molecules mix with excess water and go through these network of tubules. And out of the nephrons and renal cortex. Ting! You got it? You got it? You got it? And that's it for today, friends. I will be continuing in one of the next episodes with a lot of interesting things, like fun facts, healthy foods for your kidneys, the diseases of the kidneys, how to prevent them, and a lot of stuff. So hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that bell to get notified of our upcoming videos. If you like this, then please smash the like button. I love you all. Bye bye. Now let me have the rest of this milkshake. Smoothie.